Hello guys, this is Lizel Ross and welcome back to Liz Mix channel. So for today's video, we're gonna talk about step-by-step process on new normal guidelines and what to expect when arriving in the Philippines. But before that, kung bago po kayo sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. So, let's start. So, ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin yung mga new international arrival process step-by-step guide. So number 1, before your flight, pre-register online for a COVID-19 swab test. So 3 araw bago yung flight, kailangan mag-accomplish ng electronic case investigation form through online. So for OFWs, meron pong link na ibababa ko dyan mamaya. For non-OFWs, meron ding link sa ano naman sila mag-register sa portal ng Philippine Red Cross. So pagkatapos mag-register, makakatanggap po kayo ng confirmation email and a QR code. Save them because you'll be using them later on. And number 2, register with OASIS or book a hotel. So for OFW, complete the OFW Assistance Information System. And for returning overseas Filipino, so yung mga hindi po OFW, make a booking at a hotel accredited by the Philippine Tourism and Health Authorities for a quarantine upon arrival. So magbababa po ako ng link para i-click nyo na lang po siya. Number 3, at the airport, sign the Declaration and Waiver Form. Accomplish and sign the Declaration and Waiver Form indicating that you are fit to travel, which will be provided by the staff at the check-in counter. Make sure you also have other documents that are required by both the national government and the local government of your destination. So ito ay maaaring magbago, kaya make sure you're updated. Number 4, fill out the electronic health locator form and arrival card. So ito po yung example ng arrival card. Once na nakapag-check-in na kayo, it's time to complete the electronic health locator form and arrival card. Filling out the electronic health locator form will generate another QR code which will be sent to your email. Save this QR code because you will use this code when you arrive in Manila. This is the second important QR code you need to keep. Number 5, upon arrival, fill out more forms and listen to the briefing. After deplaning, you need to clear temperature check or thermal scanning, then proceed to your designated waiting area and accomplish the additional required forms. For OFW, fill out the OWA Project Care Slip, and for non-OFWs or ROFs, fill out the Affidavit of Undertaking. So after nyo po mag-fill up ng mga forms, you will be submitting it later in the process after the immigration check. Then, there will be a short briefing conducted by a personnel from the Philippine Coast Guard. Number 6, take the COVID-19 swab test. So after the briefing, head to the verification and barcoding booth. Dito, ipipresent nyo na yung first QR code that was sent to you when you pre-registered online 3 days before your flight. So for OFWs, they will give you 6 barcode stickers at the barcoding booth. Then walk to the swab test booth, submit 5 stickers to the tester, and get tested. 1 of the stickers will be affixed to the back of your passport. For non-OFWs, pay for the COVID swab test na nagkakahalaga po ng 4,000 pesos. Kapag kabayad na, you will be handed 3 barcode stickers. Walk over to the swab test booth and give all 3 stickers to the tester, who will then conduct the test. Once done, 1 sticker will be handed back to you, which will be affixed on the back of your passport. Number 7, clear immigration check. So dito, ipapasa nyo na yung QR code na na-save ninyo after ninyong mag-fill out ng electronic health locator form 3 days before your flight. Number 8, at the arrival hall, approach your respective desk. So after going through immigration check, proceed to your respective desk. For land-based OFWs, approach the OWA desk for your quarantine hotel assignment. Show them the QR code again and hand over the project care slip that you filled out earlier. For sea-based OFWs, approach to the Marina desk for your quarantine hotel assignment. For non-OFWs, approach to the hotel verification desk where staff will verify your accommodation booking, then present your affidavit of undertaking and make sure that they stamp or sign it. It's also possible to arrange your hotel transfer here. So number 9, pick up your baggage and clear customs. So first, proceed to your designated carousel to claim your baggage, and second, go through customs inspection. And for non-OFWs, make sure you submit the affidavit of undertaking before leaving the terminal. Number 10, transfer to your hotel. For OFWs, wait for your shuttle or bus service outside the terminal. This will take you to the hotel assigned to you. And for non-OFWs, make your way to the hotel you book. Number 11, at the hotel, wait for the result of your swab test. Upon arrival at the hotel, check in. Note that the hotels have their own safety measures that you need to follow. You may need to step on sanitizing mats or have your temperature taken too. Number 2, wait for the result of your COVID-19 swab test. Usually, the results are released after 3 to 5 days for OFWs and 24 to 48 hours for non-OFWs. Number 3, if the test is positive, the Bureau of Quarantine will transfer you to a hospital. If negative, you can secure a copy of a medical certificate via the Bureau of Quarantine Certificate website. And then, for OFWs, your accommodation and food will be shouldered by the government. And for the non-OFWs, you should pay for all your accommodation, meal expenses, and extensions if applicable. Number 12, proceed to your destination. If your result is negative, you may now go home. So for the land-based OFWs, you may coordinate with OWA if you need help with transportation, and you can also check out the OWA Uwian Na website. And then for the sea-based OFWs, get in touch with your local manning agency. And for the non-OFWs, you should shoulder the transportation cost to your home, and you may also be picked up at the hotel by your relatives. And then number 13, complete the 14-day self-quarantine. So upon arrival, complete your 14-day quarantine or self-isolation to your home. Alright guys, dito muna po tayo. Sana po ay nakatulong po ito sa inyo. And see you on my next video. Bye-bye!